Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean and it's giveaway day. I am so sorry y'all about not drawing for this on the first. Like I said, some things have come up, it's been really hectic, but we're gonna give this away today. This beautiful one that I created. I'll give you a little bit of a close-up. This was my first one I ever made and I'm gonna give it away. But anyway, I've got all the names to everyone who commented with their little pumpkin underneath the video. And just a reminder, tomorrow is going to be the drawing for the giveaway in the Kit 108. And I still have a little while to go before we do the drawing for the kit giveaway in Kit 109. But before I draw a name, I have something special for y'all, a little bit different. I have a few things that I don't have enough to put in kits and stuff like that. So I've got 8 items that I'm going to show you real quick that I'm going to give you a super good deal on. If anybody's interested in these, please leave your name and the item number that you are interested in down below in the comments. US only, PayPal only, and I will send you a link for payment once I find out everything that everybody wants. Okay, the first item that I have are these really pretty puffy stickers, snowflakes. They're purple and blue, and they're real puffy. They're pretty with gold. I've got 3 of these available for $2 each. If anyone is interested, it doesn't tell the total number. It says 3D. These are made by Forever in Time. It says photo safe. But $2, I have 3 of them. That's number 1. Number 2 are, I have more than enough of these, is why I've got these. These are number 2, and they are wood die cuts of snow themed, and these are $2.50. Everything's going to be plus shipping. Everything is brand new unless I tell you otherwise. But that's number 2, the snowman snow themed wood die cuts, $2.50. These are acetate, number 3, acetate photo lay, wait a minute, let me get it right, overlays. And I'm going to open this one and show you. I have about 6 of these available, but these are real pretty acetate pieces with some prints on them. Let me get, here we go. That way you can see what's actually on there. That's the first one, and I believe there's 2 of each one. Yeah, there's 2 of that one. This one, these would make beautiful shaker. Think of a shaker wand with these. That would be pretty. Cards with shakers. There's one. There's another 2 of each one. There's a total of 10 in each pack, so there's 5 different designs with. It's a little shiny because of the acetate. But I have about 6 of these packs available, and they are going to be $2.50 a pack for 10 of the photo overlays with pictures. And again, that's number 3. If you're interested, leave a comment below with what number you're interested in, along with your email address for PayPal. 10 overlays. Number 4 is this Inkadoo rubber stamp. It is for an envelope. It has send to, greetings from, and it's where you can stamp and put the address, kind of decorate your envelopes. It's also got a corner stamp and a little flower. I have about 6 of these, and these are going to, I've got $3 for these. $3 for the Inkadinkadoo stamp. And I have 6 of them. Number 5 are the Border Punch strip book. There is 87 sheets in here. This is the neutral pack. I'm going to open this one and show you the colors that it has. I meant to have it open. I'm sorry. I was going to try to do this really quick. But I have about 6 of these. And again, it's die cuts with a view, neutrals, border punch strips. These are awesome for rosettes. You can punch the edge out. It's got some darker reds, lighter reds, brown, orange. These are good fall colors. Green, yellow, some Christmas colors with the greens. The snow colors for blue and purple. There's gray, brown, cream, gray, black, and there's some white in the back as well. But these are awesome to take your border punches and punch the edge and then put them on your scoreboard and score them and make rosettes. It's already cut out for you. You don't have to worry about cutting all of them the exact same. But these are perfect for that. Or you don't even have to punch the edge. You can just score them and make rosettes out of them. That's number 5. You're getting 87 sheets in each book. They are going to be $4. I'm giving y'all some good deals. Alright, this is American Craft Bits. This is 36 die cut snowflakes. And they are in silver, gold, and white. They're probably like 12 of each. This is number 6. You're going to get the 36 snowflakes, $4, and I only have 3 of these. These are Friday deals, y'all. Alright, number 7 is some ink pads. These are the Studio G 2-inch square ink pads. I have silver, black, and teal, and these are very wet. They're brand new. They're still sealed. I have about 10 of each color. It's going to be $1 per ink pad. So if you want one of each color, it's going to be $3. $1 per ink pad. That's a good deal. Number 7 ink pads, $1 each. Last but not least, number 8 is Heidi Swapp Snow in this like spice plastic container. It's full. This is a real fluffy snow. I don't know if she had this out last year or the year before, but I love working with this snow. It's really fluffy. But anyway, I only have 2 of these, and they are going to be $3.50 each. Everything is plus shipping. So that's your 8 Friday good deals for today. Now we're going to draw for the giveaway of the wand. Again, here is the wand. And some of the things in the kit I used on here. The glass acrylic leaves are on here. The bling is on here. Some of the paper. The little gems that you use to make flowers was on here. And the plastic tube was in there. And these ribbons and fun fur eyelash trim is in there. So I made this for an example to show what you can make with some of the stuff in the kit. And as ones who are watching my video know, from now on if I make something to give you an example, I'm going to give it away. And it will be a hidden giveaway. You have to listen to the video to know how to enter. Also, there's special ways that you can get $2 and $5 off any kit that you order. You have to watch the videos. But anyway, let's go ahead and draw and find out who's the winner of this kit. Or this wand. Sorry. Alright, everybody, I printed off the names of everyone who commented under the video. There wasn't very many people. Hopefully we can get more people. And I'm just going to pick one winner for this. In kit 109, there's going to be 4 winners. Alright, let's see who won. Congratulations to Crafty Granny Brookins. you are the winner of the wand. If you will contact me at my email address that I will have below this video and let me get your address, send me your address by email, I will mail this beautiful wand to you. Thank everyone for playing. I got another kit coming up today, and I'm also in the process of recording the 100 subscriber giveaway. So, happy crafting, everyone. See you next time.